Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.
Kiaru kinong mi khmat ka Shillong East but Shillong West ka khatlai trik Rizau aja arpuar kilaya kandu your chief secretary ka jilla ban pinsngo ha u ke Jingkyrduh ba ka jing e ka ba ki pai ba ki kandu Halor ka Umbam Umdih hagini ki constituency habai kren kinong tho khobor harian ka jia kandu ikong amprin ling do berba mohandru rapsang kilong ba kani ka Jingkyrduh kala Jingkyrduh ki pai ba ki bla mat ikini ki jing e ber kilong ru bana kaliang ka sorkar kala kular ban shim khiawan pe Halor kani ka kam Shushu kila Pynpaw ke Jingslam and Pindep ek phase 3 jo ka Greater Shillong water supply scheme.
We have now been informed that there are some fluctuation voltages that are impacting dearly on the pumping of the water for its reaching our part of the city. So we have been given an assurance by the meeting convened by the Chief Secretary that this issue will be immediately attended to. Secondly, we are very concerned that the phase 2 of GSW3 is also still incomplete. We were able to discuss those details in the meeting just now, and we look forward that all of these storages of water supply to Shillong City will soon be commissioned, and there is one line of pipes that still need to be installed and put in position. We are hopeful that this will result positively. We are also concerned because when there are these crisis periods of water supply, there are not enough tankies in Shillong City for us to feed temporary emergency water supply to various localities. So we've also been told today that the municipal board will shortly be given an additional amount of 5 water tankers so that at least during this period when there is shortage of this water, we will still be able to serve to localities through feeder tanks. So I hope that this entire exercise that we had today will result positively. We are very concerned because we've had so much rain but no water coming to our taps. I am also concerned because citizens are getting frustrated and restless. Government has given us the assurance, let us be patient, and we will review this matter back in about 2 to 3 weeks, and we hope that by then we will have this stable water supply being restored back to critical areas like Shillong West, Shillong East, including Nongbah. I hope that the consultations that we had today will be an eye-opener to the actual problem that seems not to be attended